Affordable dental fillings, Turkey's competitive advantage. Health of the dental area is an integral component of well-being and overall health. One of the most popular dental procedures are dental fillings. These are employed for treating cavities as well as restoring the functionality and structure of teeth that have been damaged. Dental fillings are vital to ensure excellent oral health. Costs of fillings can cost a lot for a majority of people and especially for those in advanced countries. But Turkey has emerged as one of the most popular destinations for cheap quality dental services such as dental fillings. Turkey is well known for its high-end health facilities as well as its highly trained dental specialists. It has made huge improvements to its healthcare infrastructure over the past few times, with modern dental hospitals and clinics outfitted with the most modern equipment and technology. This has established Turkey as a top choice for medical tourism, people from all over the world coming to Turkey for cheap quality healthcare that include dental procedures. One of the main benefits to getting dental fillings in Turkey is the price savings. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey are significantly less than many Western countries, which makes it the ideal choice for those who want affordable dental services. Apart from lower cost, the patients also get the quality of treatment as well as the knowledge and experience of Turkish dental specialists. The majority of dentists in Turkey were educated in dental schools that are internationally acclaimed and are skilled in the performance of many dental procedures. This includes dental fillings. Another reason to get dental fillings in Turkey is the accessibility to many alternatives for treatment. Turkish dentists provide different filling materials for dentistry, which include amalgam, composite resin, and porcelain. Patients are able to pick the choice most suitable to their preferences as well as their budget. In addition, Turkish dental professionals take the approach of treating patients individually, taking the thorough look at the dental health of patients before recommend the most appropriate treatment strategy. Patients are guaranteed the highest quality of treatments and obtain the highest quality outcomes. In addition, Turkey's central location is convenient for patients coming from Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Istanbul especially is one of the most popular destinations with medical travelers due to the airport's connectivity and numerous cultural sites. People traveling to Turkey for fillings in their teeth can enjoy its rich history, amazing architecture, and vibrant culture, all while receiving excellent dental treatment. To conclude, the competitive advantage of Turkey in cheap dental fillings comes from its top-of-the-line healthcare facilities with highly skilled dental specialists, affordable treatments, as well as the convenience of its geographical location. People seeking fillings for their teeth will benefit from the nation's high-quality healthcare system as well as enjoy the comfort of a stress-free and comfortable treatments. It is a place that has a reputation for quality in hospitality and health. Turkey is a top alternative for people who want affordable and top-quality dental services. Therefore, if you're considering the possibility of dental fillings, you should consider Turkey as the ideal destination to enjoy your healthy and beautiful smile at just a tiny fraction of the cost.